Let's take a look at one of the monumental books published in the 19th century about organs. It's a key book then, and it remains so today. I'm Brian DiMambro, and we have here probably what is a early to mid 19th century binding on this 19th century book. The book was published in 1877, and this is that edition. It's the third edition. It has this large folding, this engraved plate right here. And it's by Hopkins, who's well known in the field. And if you look at this, this is just about everything somebody could want to know about organs. This is the book. As you can see, it's just a compendium. It's clean, tight, and sound. This binding that's on it is beautiful leather binding. It's probably done something like, based on the way it appears, maybe in the 50s to the 70s, something like that. And it is available online now from me, Brian DiMambro.